Bilis maghugot eh, no? Maluwag siguro, sir, ano? Araw-araw ginagamit. Okay, next bring me natin. Oh, ito, malaki-laki itong next bring me namin. Okay, sino ang makapagwawagayway ng 500 million pesos? Hindi, again, 500 peso bill! Ayun! Akin na yung 500 pesos mo? Ayun, malutong-lutong pa. Okay, and of course, get your Mario Deborro and Cardam's shoe polish. Alright. Ay, 500 mo. Kala ko di mo maalala eh. Okay, our next, bring me. Okay, sino naman ang makapagdadala ng Mario Deborro shoes? Alright, meron ba dito? Mario Deborro shoe. Talampakan, baka may maligaw po dyan na nakasulat na Mario Deborro. Meron ba? Meron? Mukha yata na wala pa yan. Naiwan niya pa sa bahay. Ano? National Grand Finals 2012. And before tayo mag-start, nagpapa-game muna tayo. Ayan, we're waiting. Ayan na mag-start po ang ating pong competition. Okay, so siyempre sa Cardam's shoe polish. Ito po ang inyong pong premyo, ma'am. Lahat na makisaya, makiyug-yug at makisaya for this competition because later din po natin malalaman kung sino nga ba ang mga mananalo. Ayan, magwawagi po siyempre ng Santa Backpack ng mga prizes. Alright, next game po tayo. So, ang magiging mga judges po natin mamaya, ayan ay siyempre no, talagang tinitilian natin. Kanina pa, nandiyan na po ang ilan sa ating mga judges. Nandito po sina Juliana Trono, Derek Monesterio, China Ortaleza, Enzo Pineda, and Donald Balbuena. Alright, and let's proceed again sa ating pong game na magwawagi pa rin, of course, ng Mario Deborro. Ayan, napakaganda po, no? We have GC, and of course, ayan, meron tayong shoe polish from Cardam's or sir. Alright, so nakikita nyo naman one of Unisilver Times Brand Ambassador. Alright, raise your hand kung sino ang nakakilala ng isa sa mga Unisilver Times Brand Ambassador. Sino po yung mga nag-endorse?
Barbie Fortesa.
Sino po?
Barbie Fortesa.
Barbie Fortesa, sure ka?
Yes.
Bakit mo alam? Tama? Yes, of course. Congratulations, ma'am. Okay, samahan niyo po ako. Please assist me. Ayan, sa inyo pong pag-get ang inyo pong prize, of course, Mario Deborro. Thank you very much. And of course, meron tayong GC. And of course, meron tayo ditong shoe polish. Ayan, from Cardam's. Thank you very much, ma'am. Alright. Our next question. Okay. What is the name of Mario Deborro men's endorser? Na nag-endorse ng Mario Deborro. Tasa kamay! Sino? Dali! Ng instant prize, ayan, ito po sa ating pong pinamimigay, Mario Deborro. Papapilit pa si ate. Okay, so 11 seconds to beat. Okay, ano pangalan, ma'am?
Sara.
Sara. Okay, si Mama Sara. Okay, I love Mario Deborro. Pinakamahaba. Okay? Sayang naman ang pagkabulo ng mata mo, no? Sa contact lens kung hindi mo gagawin 12 seconds. Okay. Sarah, 1, 2, 3.
I love Mario Deborro.
9 seconds. I love Mario Deborro. Okay? 11 seconds. So kahit mga 37 seconds. Ayan, para panalo na tayo. Okay, 11 seconds, no? Mahaba-haba. Okay, anong pangalan, ma'am?
Kim.
Kim, ready ka na? Alright. 1, 2, 3.
I love Mario Deborro.
Okay, 12 seconds. Naku, kalay! Sayang! Sayang, okay. 12 seconds. Si ate, hindi ka dito, te. 12 seconds. Naku, ito, advantage mo, no? Hinga ka na ng malalim, ha? Okay, 12 seconds. Ano pangalan?
Man po.
Maan. Okay, Maan. Kaya mo ba ng mga 13 seconds?
No.
Sige, sabihin mo yes! Para mas marami tayong premyo from Mario De Boro. Okay. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
I love Mario De Boro.
Wow, 4.87 seconds. So we have a winner. Congratulations sa kakuha na 12 seconds. Yay! And of course, mga mama, meron tayong, of course, premyo. Yay! O, di ba? Effort yung ginawa nyo, ha? Ayan, syempre mula po sa Mario De Boro and of course, Cardam's Shoe Polish. Alright, so please get your gift items. Thank you. Congratulations. Ikaw, di ba ikaw yung nanalo? Oh, so dalawa yung sa'yo, syempre. Okay. Ay, ito ba pala sa'yo ito. Okay, bigyan nyo na lang po sa... Ito yung sa'yo. Ay, ikaw ba yung nanalo? Galing-galing naman. Okay. Congratulations po, mga ma'am. Okay. Katong walang kakaso-kaso ng 101.1 Yes FM para hayahay. Ako po si Rico Paniero. Napapakinggan niya po sa programang Partners with Lala Banderas every 12:30 p.m. hanggang 3:30 p.m. Alright, and of course, ladies and gentlemen, malapit na po tayo mag-start. Alright, so our judges ay ready na rin to judge our contestants, our crews para sa Dance Crew Competition 2012. And maraming salamat po syempre. Thank you very much, Unisilver Jewelry. Thank you very much to Kokurio. Thank you very much to Bigger Light Tea, Mario De Boro, Cardam's Roy Queen, and of course, our official tabulator, SCI College Das Marinas. Marami pong salamat. And of course, this is our grand final. So, ibig sabihin, ayan, ating pong, dito na po natin a-awarden kung sino nga bang ating magiging champion. Ayan, para po sa ating pong competition na ito. And of course, ating pong mga grupo. Alright, Unisilver Time watches for each member of the group. So panalo na po sila because meron na po silang premyo. And our second runner-up po ay makakatanggap ng Unisilver Time watches for each member of the group. 5,000 pesos worth of gift certificate. Our first runner-up will receive 10,000 pesos worth of gift certificate. Unisilver Time watches for each member of the group. And of course, our grand winner, makakatanggap ng 25,000 pesos. Unisilver Time watches for each member of the winning group. So lahat talaga ay nagpupursige na manalo para po sa ating pong dance crew competition na ito. Alright, so again, ladies and gentlemen, mamaya-maya lamang umpisa na po natin. And of course, our criteria for judging. Siyempre, no, napahalaga po dito na siguradong po problemahin ng ating mga judges. We have our technique with 30%. Alright, synchronization, 30%. Stage presence, 20%. Popularity, 20%. With a total of 100%. Maya lamang natin ang umpisahan ang ating pong makita because sila po ay nakikita po natin. Ay, kayo po ba ay nanonood ng My Beloved? Kayo ba nanonood ng My Beloved? Yeah, wala po siya dito. Panginis lang yan. Okay, so because later, ladies and gentlemen, we will have our panel of judges na ating pong i-introduce. Okay, so now, ayan, ang ating pong mga judges for our Dance Crew Competition 2012 Unisilver Time. May we call on, ayan, nakikita po natin ito sa Party Pilipinas at sa Tropang Pochi. Ladies and gentlemen, woohoo! Give it up for Julian Trono! Yeah, si Julian Trono, isa po sa mga judges po natin for our Unisilver Time Dance Crew Competition 2012. Makakasama po natin siyempre, ayan, sa ating pong Party Pilipinas at Tropang Pochi. Hello po, sir. Alright, one of our judges, Julian Trono. Say hi naman po sa mga fans.
Ayan, good afternoon sa inyo lahat. Hello. Yan, siyempre, good luck sa mga contestants natin. Ayan, sige, baba na ako.
Thank you very much. Ayan, Julian Trono. Okay. Isa pa lamang yan because our second judge is a GMA 7 artist, lead star of Paroa, and of course, a Unisilver Time ambassador. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for, palakpakan naman natin si Derek Bonesterio! Monasterio, one of our judges. Ladies and gentlemen. Judges pa lang, panalong-panalo na, ano? Alright, si Derek Monasterio. Alright, one of our judges. Alright, say hi naman po sa mga fans natin.
Hello po, hello. Nood po kayo paroha.
Thank you very much, sir. Derek, alright, good luck po sa pag-judge. Sigurado sasakit ang inyong mga ulo for our Dance Crew Competition Grand Finals 2012. And one of our judges, ayan, natin pong introduce ngayon. Ako, ayan, napakaganda nitong ating nakakasama sa Party Pilipinas Gigster, Bubble Gang. Sana'y ikaw na nga, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Sheena Hortaleza! Sheena Hortaleza, one of our judges. Sobrang pretty naman ni Sheena.
Hello everybody! Kamusta kayo? Ayan, okay. I hope you enjoyed today and we have a lot of talented groups. So, just spend the day with us and let's enjoy together. Hello, hello!
Alright, thank you very much, Miss Sheena Hortaleza. Alright. Ako, iba no, judges pa lang, panalo-panalo na tayo. And, ating pong next judge is a GMA 7 artist, mainstay of Star Talk, Unisilver Time Ambassador. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Enzo Pineda! Enzo Pineda! Alright, sir.
Yes, hello. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta niyo dito. At supportahan niyo po ang bagong timepiece ng Unisilver. It's the Enzo Pineda timepiece. So sana po supportahan niyo po ang timepiece ko. And I really appreciate na nandito kayo ngayon. And maraming salamat.
Alright, thank you very much. Ayan, Mr. Enzo Pineda. Alright, and of course, to complete our panel of judges, natin mga kasama ngayon for our Unisilver Time Dance Crew Competition 2012. Alright, siya po ang choreographer ng Party Pilipinas. Ayan, siya po yung gumagawa ng mga steps. Ayan, sa ating pong nakikita na napakagaganda sa Party Pilipinas. And of course, our chairman of the board of judges, ladies and gentlemen, Donald Balbuena. Alright, sir. Konting interview lang po, sir. Sir, ano po masasabi natin, sir, sa mga contestants po natin?
Good luck po.
Alright, thank you very much, sir, with standing ovation from our judges. Alright, sila po, ang ating po mga judges, so talaga namang magagaling at talaga namang yuyug-yug, tatambling ang ating mga contestants for our Unisilver Time Dance Crew Competition 2012 Grand Finals. And I thank you very much again. Ayan, sa ating po mga sponsors. Maraming ayan, sa ating pong mga sponsors, thank you very much to Unisilver Jewelry and of course Unisilver Time Boutique located at the lower level of SM City Dasmariñas, Cocurio, and of course Bigger Light Tea, Mario Deborro, Cardams, Roy Queen, and of course our official tabulator STI College Dasmariñas. Alright, so kung hindi po ako nagkakamali, ay ready na ang ating first crew to dance for our Unisilver Time Dance Crew Competition 2012 Grand Finals. Ready na ba tayong lahat? Ready na ba kayo? Okay! Kung ready na tayo, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome our first dance crew. They are the Tasmania! Palakpakan naman natin! Woohoo!